Cooking Mama Cookstar.
Okay, not even a minute into the game and I'm already cringing. We are off to a good start in Cooking Mama Cookstar. Yes, a game I used to love to play as, I would say as a child, but that's not remotely true. No, I love to play this thing on the Nintendo Wii actually, and I've recently figured out there is a Switch version
Welcome to Cooking Mama
which
Cookstar.
focuses on cookstar, meaning to become a superstar, social media influence guy, cook, whatever. So I figured, why not revive those vibes from the past and yeah, play Cooking Mama once again because it was a ton of fun. To be honest, I didn't expect that. One of my top 3 Wii games. Anyhow, apparently there's a mode for traditional shut the front door recipes, vegetarian recipes, and the potluck party is for multiplayer. So you can do little mini games, sort of, not real cook recipes, but like play mini games, sort of. Customize, you can.
Let's get started.
Actually, let us do that. Customize a little bit of things. Makes sense? Yeah. We can customize, for instance, our hand. We can be like, damn! Or, damn! Or, damn! But, like, I'm not that wide, but I'm definitely Asian wide, so let me get that hand. And I suppose once we unlock more features, more things, we can adjust those as well. Where is my hand? But yeah, I think that's pretty close on my hand. It could be a little bit more reddish, but it's okay. I'm gonna deal with that. My hand. Yeah, before I get tired, and before I start playing, I wanna just quickly mention that the button settings is most important here in this game because the volume, once you start the game, oh my god, it blew my fucking ears. No kidding. Especially with earphones. Like, that's not even a joke, alright? You really want to adjust that volume, because once it's up there... Okay, if everything was up there, really, believe me, you couldn't speak. You couldn't hear anything. It's... wow. Okay, so, like, that is, like, super important, okay? That you want to adjust all these things properly in order not to, get your head hit. This setting is not utilized in handheld modes. Motion enable, or we can disable motion, I suppose. But as we are using a Joy-Con, I believe that... Okay, so I didn't know how to get out of this mode, so I just went out manually by shutting down the game again. But now we're back, and what I like is that the credits are right here, because I suppose there's not like a story you have to play through, and the credits will be shown at the end. So you can, go to the credits at any time you like. Since I am anything but a vegetarian, we're gonna start cooking shut up! Traditional recipes. Here we go.
Let's get cooking.
I believe there's like 80 or more recipes in total, so assuming they're half vegetarian, half meat. I guess 40, but more than 6, right? Okay, let me actually start with a rainbow grilled cheese. I don't know.
I'm getting
so where I'm from, we don't really do grilled cheese sandwiches. Learn without pressure. Oh, I like learning. Slice of bread is something we have to do. Okay, then we have to grate some cheese. Move the Joy-Con side to side. Okay. Dye the shredded cheese. Oh, we can... Oh, so you have a normal cheese, you shred it, and then you color it.
Let's go.
Oh, so that's how you do it. Nice. Did you guys do that at home? Back in my country, we didn't do that at all, or still I don't do that. I don't do like grilled cheese sandwich to begin with, and especially we don't like color our food. But that's cool. I want to do that actually. Then you have to arrange the cheese. We have to fry it and until it is golden. Okay, cool. Let me actually just make it.
Hungry.
It is all, we cannot play that with a Pro controller, we have to use our Joy-Cons, which I believe makes sense because back in the days on the Wii we had the remotes.
Ready, get set,
Whew,
go.
and they were all about, holy fuck, how do you slice a bread? Is there like a manual to it? Holy shit.
Almost there.
I do cut faster than it seems. Cut the
Hurry
bread!
up.
Cut the bread! So you have to like really shake the shit hard in
I
order
think
for
you
it
should
to
have
make
your own game.
cuts. And that was not back in the day. Like it was way more sensible back in the day. And now I don't know. I kind of have to
I'm getting
box it in order
hungry.
for it to make a movement. I hope you can
Ready, get
like
set, go!
do it in the settings or something. And, holy fuck, stabilize it. Okay, here we have to be more careful because a little shake too high and you're gonna like the cheese will like that, and we don't want that. Okay. So here we are
Come on, you can do it.
moving very slowly, but here actually the sensors are detecting my movements rather well. Come on! We no time for this shit. So that was good. Not too bad, not gonna lie.
Looks delicious. Mama's jelly.
Fuck. That Asian chick. Fuck, kid, shut up. Okay, so one was bad, one was good. Let's see, next step. Dry the shredded cheese. Press the button when indicated. Watch out for distractions. Ooh, what are distractions? Look forward to it.
Ready, get set,
Alright.
go!
So that's our shredded cheese we had from
That's
before. We
it.
press the A button to make it green. We don't want this. That's a distraction too. We want green cheese, cool. We want blue cheese. Okay, sure, why not? That's a distraction.
You can do it.
That's okay. That's okay too. Purple cheese, all for it. Holy damn.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Yeah, I mean, it's not too difficult, but to be honest, the timing is rather strict. Like, 1 or 2 mistakes and you're fucked. So, it's not as easy as it seems. Okay, rainbow grilled cheese. Next step, arrange the rainbow cheese.
Let's
Move
go.
the cursor. Shut up! Move the cursor with the Joy-Con to spread the ingredients evenly. So, that sounds rather simplistic. Like, we just have to move around the
Ready,
Joy-Con.
get
Nope.
set, go!
Buttons pressed. Oh, that's what it... Okay, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so... To me, that's a perfect grilled cheese. Beautiful!
Whoa, you are the real hero.
No, you are the real hero, okay? Alright, so we have our cheese all colored up, all spreaded. Now we want to melt the butter in a pan. Okay, tilt the Joy-Con to move the butter around the pan. Alright, let's do
Ready,
this.
Get set,
Rotate the pan to
go!
cover it with butter. Okay, that's what I always did. Holy shit.
Don't give up.
It used to be way faster on the Wii. Well, that butter was not evenly spread, but what the hell.
Hooray,
The
Mama's
pan is
bread.
covered with butter, so I suppose that's all that counts. But like, it used to be way quicker. Like now I had to tilt and it was cheese go left, go right, go up. It used to be a go left, right, up, down. Holy shit! You really had to be like quick. Alright, next step, grill it until golden. Follow steps as they appear. Adjust temperature with a stick. Hold the button to use the spatula. Move the Joy-Con to shake or flip. That was a lot of instructions. Alright, so we
Ready,
fry it
get
until golden brown.
set,
Timing is important,
go!
yeah, I get that. So we gotta fry it and okay, we are gonna wanna adjust to the medium heat.
Great
Go up.
job.
Okay, cool. Shake the
Wow.
shit. Sure, why not? Squish. Squish! What?
Now you
How did
got
I
it.
not squish? Alright, second round.
Go ahead.
High temperature. Do I have to be like super fast or? Oh! That's what
Look
they
at
mean by
that.
squish.
That's skill.
You have to hold the button. Okay, so the point is like we got 3 lives apparently. On the left side we see
Amazing.
1 unhappy smile. Low temperature. Alright. So I kinda fucked up here. 2 stars. Yeah, okay, I
Not
fucked up that
bad.
one. Okay, my bad. I didn't know how to squeeze, because squish, that's not even a
Let's
word.
study.
At least not in my language. Next step, plate it and snap it. Finish your dish and share. That's what I meant. You cook your fucking meal, which is rather easy. As you can see, I never played it and I got 3
Let's get this
stars
ready to
almost
share.
always. And now we are going to decorate. Choose a plate. I like fries, so I take that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So now we can choose the surroundings. That's Mama's kitchen. Oh. Ain't that the wrong place for a grilled cheese? Picnic. I think that's the right place. Dinner. No. A diner. Sorry, not dinner. A diner. Okay, cool. No, I like the picnic actually. Alright,
Take a
so adjust
photo
our
of your
view.
dish.
Okay, so we can rotate the angle and stuff. Like rotate how to. Oh, we can rotate our plates. No, actually, the way it was at the very beginning was very good. Not gonna lie. Here we go. But now we gotta adjust our angle. I kind of want that mobile phone to be on the picture, but that doesn't really look good, does it? No, not at all. Oh, I like picnic. It reminds me of Hanami, which unfortunately this year has sort of been cancelled due to Corona, but well, whatever. Hanami, you sit outside in a park with cherry blossoms, trees. You just watch it and eat and drink a lot. It's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Okay, here we go. I think that's our shot.
Look at that.
Cool. Why not? So we can add a filter. I do believe, like most of these filters take a lot away from the picture. So I believe I just do not use any filter. Now we can add stickers. That is so Asian here right now. Anyhow, it's a star.
Very nice.
I wanted to. No! Yeah, I
Wow.
wanted. When I press A, it's next. Okay, so I have to press X to select actually the sticker. Rotate left, rotate. Huh? Oh, that's how rotation. Oh, that's how I have to move it to the place I want it to be. Okay. Grilled cheese, sparkling as shit. Shall we place? Perfect. Open sticker tray. Perfect. Perfection. There you go. No.
Awesome.
Select with this. I want to place this shit right up here. Place. Then we can add 2 things only. Alright. Add here. Okay. I suppose there's like an. Oh, we can add more. Sorry. I suppose there's like a way that it's supposed to be decorated, and leave a like. Yeah, sure. No.
Don't forget to tag Mama. Beautiful.
Leave a like on this picture as well as on my video. Perfect. So, okay, you guys know what to do. Like my video, and you're gonna be getting a wonderful grilled cheese sandwich for me right for your birthday. No, you do not. Don't do that. Okay, so we added a couple of stickers. We added not a filter because I prefer, hashtag no filter. And yeah, we just decorated it pretty nicely. And yeah, let's see how many likes we get. Wow, the boy gives 15 likes, 7 likes, 23. Oh, holy, I think that's not too bad. Oh, okay, so if you get like 100 likes, I suppose you're getting 3 stars. But I'm happy with 2 stars, to be honest, since I'm not like a stickery filter guy, as you can see. But I like the decoration. That's what I meant. You're being graded on your decoration, and there gotta be a way, like a scheme that they are, judging you upon. And I want to know that, because, yeah, I don't know how to improve on that. But yeah. Ain't mama never wrong. So we got a game and green kimchi. Okay, we got a new recipe. Tyro. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, come on. Just because I screwed up once and got only 2 stars. Okay, the decoration got 2 stars too. I got like 4, 5, 6 times the 3 stars, and now I only get 2 stars on my cookie recipe. Come on. That's not even fair. Anywho, let's just, why not make a second recipe today? Let's cook mochi.
Here we go.
Which is
I'm
rice
getting
cake,
hungry.
meaning that we have to
getting
make the
hungry.
rice. Start and stop the steamer at the correct blue zone timing using the button. Okay, from living in Asia, I cooked and washed a ton of rice, so I think I know my way around a rice cooker. Let's see.
Ready, get set.
Okay,
go.
so what's your timing?
Come on.
We
you
gotta
can do it.
pour rice. Perfect. Then we have to wash the. Okay, put the lid on.
Hurry.
Sure. It's done. Perfect. Told you I know my way around a rice cooker.
Even better than
Perfect.
Mama.
Yeah, I would say my English is even better than yours, Mama. But anyhow, we are both foreign. like English is not our native language, so let's just be friends, okay? Next step, pound the mochi. Cool, pound the mochi, but don't hit the hand. Oh, I practiced that. Oh, have you seen those
Ready,
people in
get,
Nara
go.
making the green mochi? Holy fuck. Okay, so we have to swing our hammer and... Okay, look, this is not accurate. Hey! I wasn't doing anything.
Great.
Like... Okay, can I still make it on time and get 3 stars, please? Oh, you should see those videos. You know, they make the green mochi, and like, if you think that's fast,
Hurry up.
that's how they do. And that's not a video game. They do it in real. Okay. So those fucking lives are fucking danger, or at least the hands. Holy fuck.
It's perfect.
That was a
Mama's
close call, but I
impressed.
still made it. I know my way around Japanese dishes. So as long as we're cooking Japanese dishes, I'm gonna be fine. Holy, but no, you should definitely check the video out. Here, that's what it looked like. Crazy, isn't it? Alright, next step. Roll the mochi. Spin the stick to roll the mixture into
Let's
balls.
get started.
Move the Joy-Con down to flatten it. Right. But again, like, I had to like really super hard
Ready,
almost
get,
hit the
set,
table with that shit.
go.
And I don't think that's the way it's supposed to be. We grab some by A, we rotate with our joystick, not movement. Holy fuck! Where did I go wrong?
Keep it
Okay,
up.
gentle is key.
You can do it.
Gentle is
You
key.
got it.
Alright, so we are making... Okay, now we have to kind of hurry up. Oh, 3 of them is okay. What?
Dude,
Because I
Mama's
messed up one.
happy
Oh,
for you.
come on. That's what I mean. You cannot correct. Once it's fucked up, it's fucked up. Like hell. Alright. Ah, I squished the first mochi. Although it said flatten it. And that thing was pretty flat. Believe me. Anyhow, next step. Coat the mochi. Follow the shown gestures. Sure, why not? Show me what
Ready,
you got, Big
Get
Mama.
set, go.
Pay attention. Doing. Green tea powder, okay? Left and right it. Oh, that's what I always disliked at the Wii. Because you had to go left and right pretty quick, and you really have to go left and right with your own hand and the whole remote. Not like shaking it or, you know. Usually when you shake your hands, you don't go with your arms all the way
Awesome.
left and right, so like,
Almost
it's gonna be
there.
tilting all the way. But you're not supposed to tilt it, you're supposed to go just left and right, and it was like not easy. Here you can tilt it actually. I just shake the
Hurry.
fuck out of my controller. Not sure if that works though. Come on, one more brownie. A brownie for me. Give me that anko paste.
Doing great.
Oh fuck. Wait, did the time run out or did I? Okay, I made it.
Looks
Perfect.
delicious.
No, it doesn't.
Mama's
It doesn't have.
cherry.
I don't like these powders actually. The mochi is pretty cool, but I don't like these
Ah.
powders around it. Like it's so sandy in your mouth. You know what I mean? It's so powder. It's literally powder. It's like the cinnamon challenge, but with different flavor. It's so dry. Anyhow, next step: plate it and snap it. Alright, that bullshit again. And now I kind of want to do better, but as I said before, I don't even know how I'm
Let's
supposed
get
to
it
do
ready
better.
to share.
So I what? Add, move, a place here, a place here, and here. Now I want to switch the mochi to the brown one. Add one here, one here, and give me a strawberry here, and the pink one here, and there, perfect. And one blueberry on the left and right. Make those boobies shine. No, it's okay. Like decorated. I want to decorate it. That's all. Oh, we can rotate the blueberry. No, it doesn't even matter. The thing else. Just go.
Wow.
Mama's Kitchen, fancy place, picnic. I like the picnic place still, but I do believe Mama's Kitchen is the best for this
Say
one.
cheese.
Adjust the view. We want to have a little bit in the background of. Yeah, I like that actually. Perfect.
Great photo.
Filter it. Alright. Desserts. kind of want to shine, you know. So, original shines for me most, but I think they want to have vivid.
Awesome.
And since it's sweet, let me grab something sweet. I think she's gonna give me more.
Very
No,
nice.
sorry. I still
I
forget to
love
add
it.
stickers like this. Let me just put her face on the napkin holders there. Perfect. Let me. Oh, fuck it.
Amazing.
Fuck it. No.
First for the ground.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Wait. Sure. Okay.
Looks delicious.
Perfect. Okay.
Awesome.
Now let me. Is it dessert? It got a
Don't
bar.
forget to tag Mama.
I'm not
I
gonna.
love it.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna tag Mama if you tag your best cooking friends in the comment section below. No. You know, more fruit. Why not? Go ahead and place it here. Open the toy. What would people like? Let me add a whipped cream on top of that strawberry here. Perfect. Perfection. Okay. That can't get any better.
Amazing.
Let me see those likes coming in.
Wabi sabi.
That's not as high as I expected, but I actually take it. Alright, that is how I make mochi.
Let's go.
We got a gingham blue apron. Okay,
You got a
cool.
new recipe.
Vegetable terrine. I don't like terrine. Anyhow, I don't like many things that we are gonna cook here. Cool.
I'm
But
getting
I
hungry.
think that's about it for the first two recipes. Stay tuned for next time when we are making lamb gyro. Alright, sounds cool. Yeah, that just goes to show like how awesome Cooking Mama can be. I still have to figure out
Let's get started.
the sensibility of the Joy-Con, because maybe I can do that here somewhere. I don't know. That's not cool. The rest is very cool. Stay tuned for another episode for more recipes. See you next time. Bye.